Hello and good afternoon, Joel, over at Apple River Inn. My name is Josh Nelson here at Midwest Valley Marketing. Now you talked to my sales rep, Jen, wanted some more information. So we wanted to create this custom video just for you and your business, showing how you guys can start changing the way you guys are marketing right now to start increasing traffic and customers to your guys' location, as well as online to your website and get some bigger presence all around. So a few of the things I'm going to go over are some of my thoughts and opinions on the website, kind of what we can change, as well as our social media presence, and then some back-end stuff like Google Business Profile, as well as some SEO research. So I'm going to touch brief on this here quick. I want to keep it short, keep you engaged. It's going to be a lot of information, so sit down and hang along for the ride. So first things first, we got your guys' website. Not a bad website at all. I don't know why I get a manage listing button. That's weird. But you guys, it's kind of all over. It almost looks like a Google business page, if that's what you were going for. I guess it worked out well. Very clear what you guys offer for amenities, service options, accessibility. Excuse me, that's all great. Some feedback. This would be a good place to have reviews, maybe. Have the person's name who put that. I know you guys are in a prime location, so that's definitely something that is a downfall to see that you guys are maybe struggling a little bit, because I hear so many great things. I personally have never been there. I do know some of my in-laws have. They talk highly about your guys' breakfast on the weekends. And I know Jen is a huge fan of your guys' restaurant as well. So I'll definitely have to go check you guys out. But regardless, so definitely need to work on the website. Google loves to have content on websites. They want to be able to index that better. So having more content on the website is huge, not only just any kinds of content, but keyword-rich content. So what we would do is we go in and figure out kind of what are your competitors around you doing for, restaurant-related keywords, and what would be fitting for your website. And we go in, we find all those, we implement them into a new website. I definitely would recommend probably a rebuild. The pictures are kind of dull. Other than this one, it's nice and bright, but definitely want some new pictures and some more keywords and content on your website. But in regards to that, not bad. We got your social media presence right here. Apple River Inn. You guys have 620 followers. Phenomenal. You got a follow and a message button right there. Great. I did notice that your guys' page is considered a motel. I would change that around definitely to a restaurant if possible. Got your URL for your website there. Always open. I don't think you guys are always open. Okay, maybe you are. I don't know. But an in-store pickup, so I'm assuming that means you guys have not delivery, but people can order online and pick up right in your store. Phenomenal. And then May 7th was the last time you guys have posted. That is 12 days ago now. So definitely want to stay up on postings. I see a lot of them about bingo. That's super cool. You guys do the bingo. But you guys are more than just a bingo place, right? You guys offer food, amenities, drinks. So you really want to show that, and even car shows. You want to show all of that stuff on your guys' Facebook page. So definitely recommend probably staying more updated on your Facebook page. Maybe trying to get this logo a little bit brighter. Kind of hard to see. But one thing we can do on the back end of stuff for SEO or search engine optimization is figure out what you're doing right now versus what your competition's doing right now. And one way we do that is we actually take your website URL and we take it over here into my tool I like to use. This is called Ahrefs. Excuse me. Ahrefs gives me a good guideline of what you guys have for backlinks, referring domains, what kind of keywords you guys have in your site, and what roughly, this isn't 100% accurate, roughly what you're getting for organic traffic. Organic traffic means people are just finding you online because you're optimized well enough. And unfortunately, you guys are not optimized well enough right now to be found very often. Like I said, this isn't 100% accurate. I know Star Prairie, small town. I live in New Richmond, so definitely should be a bigger number here. But what we can do is we can compare you to a semi-smaller, restaurant business around, and we're going to do Voodoo Street Food. But I'm going to kind of show you how keywords work as well as Google Business Profiles here before we get into comparing them, right? So one thing I research or use as a keyword is restaurants near New Richmond, right? Maybe not everybody knows about Star Prairie. Maybe they know more about New Richmond or Hudson, right? So we want to figure out who's coming up on their Google Business Profile right here. When we search this, we're always going to get 3. You're only ever going to get 3 for Google. So top 3 right here are Mallards, They have 662 reviews, and Voodoo Street Food's got 282 reviews. If we go find you, we can figure out where you guys have, just to prove the relevance and why it's important to have reviews on your Google business page. So let's see. I can find it. You're not even on the second page, so this isn't even optimized very well either. Rusty's, no. Laurel. I could have swore you guys had one. Well, I'm not finding it. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually just going to search it, and we can compare them. So I think Voodoo had 262 reviews. You guys have 68. What we would want to do is go in and optimize all of this with your business hours, location, address, the website. Excuse me, almost trying to hiccup here. Website, call numbers. Definitely want to post on here too. We can optimize this as well, like I said. So regardless, kind of a tangent on that, and sorry for the slow motion of trying to find it, but we're going to compare you to Voodoo Street Food. As you guys saw, you guys had no data across any of this. This is considered our SEO, right? So once we start putting in backlinks, adding referring domains and keywords, look how that traffic can increase. The second that traffic organically increases, you guys are going to start to notice an insane amount of customers coming to your guys' website. Takes a little bit of work, but it's not impossible. So with that being said, just a quick rough overview. Updating the website, optimizing the website, updating and optimizing your Google business profile. I would definitely stay more up to date on your guys' Facebook page and start implementing some of that SEO or search engine optimization. So with that being said, I hope you guys found this video useful any way, shape, or form. If you guys do decide to follow up with us, awesome. What we can do for you is create a detailed plan of attack to strategically go after month to month on what we're going to do in order to start outranking your competition, getting you more clients, and you'll be able to see a very laid out format so you're not hidden in the dark on anything. We're not like most marketing companies where we promise you we can do this, we promise you we can do that. That's not how we work. We go out, we do the research, we see if it's possible, and with what research we find, we tell you what we can do. So, very upfront and honest, but regardless, hope you guys found this video useful, any way, shape, or form. Thanks again. My name is Josh here at Midwest Valley Marketing. Hope you have a great day, Joel.